Welcome back. This is Fake Accent Guy with another scene that made me laugh. Haha, you know this scene. This is the dead tired scene from the 1985 Arnold Schwarzengger movie, Commando. In this scene, John Matrix, played to the hilt by Arnold, is an ex-beret being put on a plane by a bad guy to carry out a political assassination that he feels badly about doing. But if Matrix doesn't go through with it, his kidnapped daughter back home will be killed, so he has to find a way to get off that plane and rescue her. I'll be providing commentary on this scene and why it made me laugh even when it wasn't supposed to. Let's watch.
First class 7A.
You know, telling by their outfits, I don't know if they're going to the same destination. Arnold looks regular, but the black guy looks like he's out to save Gilligan? Rescue crocodiles? I don't know.
And your 7B, sir.
Yeah, you try something, you monosyllabic mother...
Any carry-on luggage?
Just him. Open your mouth again, and I'll nail it shut.
Okay, now he looks like the bass player for Funkadelic. The guy needs to make a life decision before it's too late.
You must fasten your seatbelt, sir.
Thank you. Could I have a blanket and a pillow, please?
Sure. There you go.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're now preparing for departure. If you'll please make sure that all your carry-on luggage is safely stored in the overhead
What the hell are you looking at? You ain't going nowhere.
compartments. Make sure your seatbelts are fastened and extinguish all cigarettes. Once we reach our cruising altitude, we're going to be serving our complimentary beverages, and then a little later on our dinner. Shortly after that, we'll be showing our feature film. Your flight attendants are Susan and Lance, and I'm Vicky. We're here to make you...
Whoa, the guy is leaning forward. What, he's helping Arnold to kill him. Arnold needs help?
Are Susan and Lance, and I'm Vicky. We're here to make your trip as comfortable as possible.
As comfortable as possible. Flight attendant must have pulled that one out of Arnold's ass.
Thank you, and have a safe and enjoyable flight.
Now, you're gonna expect me to believe that the couple in front of them did not hear not only the elbow bashing the black guy's head, but also the crunch?
Lance, and I'm Vicky.
That does not make any sense. What are they, sitting in the non-hearing section? Come on.
Feature film. Your flight attendants...
That wasn't turbulence. The plane was on the ground. Never mind. For now, let's take the time out to commend Schwarzenegger for the care with which he gives his victim. He's so tender. A killer can't get more vicious than that.
Excuse me, how long is the flight?
We land in Valverde in exactly 11 hours.
Thank you. And do me a favor. Don't disturb my friend. He's dead tired.
Great line, great delivery. And I bet you 2-1 Arnold has no clue what a double entendre is. Be patient, Sean Penn. He's coming for you next.
Right, please? Thank you. Sir, during takeoff, you must remain seated.
I'm airsick.
I found this shot troubling. Look at the man's eyes. Can somebody tell Arnold that he's not the Terminator in this one? He's been asked to play a Green Beret and he's using a pre-existing cyborg as a reference? Oh, come on, Arnold, stop it already. Was it what? Terminitis? Terminex? What? Turns out the dog wasn't barking at Arnold after all. Don't tell me Funkadelic's corpse is rotting already. When Arnold Schwarzengger has to get a job done, everything he touches turns to paper mache suddenly. Partitions, people's necks, titanium. The Superman movies must have been in severe decline by this point. Okay, so Sean Penn can go home. Good, because that steel drum was getting on my nerves. Goodness, Arnold, wouldn't it have been easier to hijack the son of a bitch? I mean, you got the foreign accent for it. Yeah, sure. And had his timing been off, he would have only been able to walk on water or turn into Mr. Freeze 12 years before his time. Yeah, take off that jacket, Arnold, because we don't want you to catch a cold. You know, from that dry jacket. Great scene. Great scene. Commando was released in October of 1985 to mixed reviews. Some critics found it preposterous, naturally, but others actually preferred it over Rambo First Blood Part 2, which came out earlier that year because it mixed action with humor and did not beat audiences over the head with political dogma. Commando did exactly what it was supposed to do, which was to entertain and nothing more. This film and Terminator, which came out the year before, established Arnold as a formidable action star who combined Austrian brawn with the Mr. Spock delivery of one-liners. Though it only made close to 60 million worldwide, as Sly Stallone was still the king in those days, Commando quickly became extremely popular on home video and cable. The few complaints I had with Commando was that the last part of the film was kind of ho-hum. Ray Don Chong made an excellent sidekick of sorts who balanced out the film quite nicely. When she disappeared toward the end, I kinda lost interest. I mean, who cares about John Matrix defeating the main villain when he's already defied the laws of suicide? The Legion of Doom doesn't even have a chance against him. So I found Commando to be exciting and funny and whimsical and all of that, but up to a point. And bye-bye.